Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of more evidence of a worldwide trade slowdown. But first, today's dairy auction brought overall prices only marginally firmer, with a 0.9% gain in US dollars. The key whole powder price was virtually unchanged. This will be something of a disappointment after the futures market signalled another good rise. Even more of a disappointment is the result in New Zealand dollars, because that's actually a decline because the Kiwi dollar has strengthened over the past 2 weeks. So in local currency, we have recorded a 0.4% slip. Still, prices are up 20% since early December. However, farm-gate milk price indications are unlikely to get updated based on today's auction. In the US, a national survey run by the New York Fed reveals American consumers expect to spend 2.8% more money in 2019 than they did a year ago. The same survey reports the share of households expecting to be better off in a year from now fell to under 39%, the lowest level since November 2016. In China, they reported a 2018 current account surplus that was down 70% year on year to a record low $49 billion. But that was actually better than expected. In the March quarter of 2018, they recorded a current account deficit of $29 billion by two small subsequent tiny surpluses. The fourth quarter result was stronger than expected, bolstered by strong exports. In Europe, Brexodus is gathering pace, with two large UK financial firms gaining official approval to move significant operations out of London, following US and EU banks. Through all this, Germany's 2018 current account surplus was the world's largest for the third year in a row. And internationally, the WTO is warning a global trade slowdown is underway, as one of their key indicators has hit a 9-year low. The US Treasury 10-year yield has dipped 2 basis points today to 2.64%, and their 2-10 curve has also slipped to 14 basis points. And gold is up sharply today by $14 to $1,339 an ounce. US oil prices are unchanged at just on $56 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is holding at just over $66 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is up to 68.9 US cents. On the cross rates, we're also holding high at 96.1 Aussie cents and firmer at 60.7 euro cents. That puts the TWI up to 73.3. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.